everyone and welcome back to another unboxing of our latest purchase, the DeLonghi La Specialista Arte coffee machine.
Let's not waste any time, let's get straight into it. So, let's get started. For some reason, this one just comes off like this. Okay, let's have a look at some of the features listed on the box. Number one, we've got the integrated coffee bean container with the 8 different grind levels from fine to coarse. And then at 2, we've got 3 infusion temperatures for different coffee beans. At number 3, we've got the barista kit, which includes the tamper, the tamping mat, the dosing and tamping guide. Then at number 4, we've got the latte art steam wand. Number 5, we've got single wall filters. Then at number 6, we have 3 direct recipes: espresso, americano and hot water. So let's flip the box again. So we've got 3 different photographs here, making 2 espressos at the same time, one of the steam wand in action, frothing milk, and then we've got the third picture talking about the, or showing the tamping procedure. Let's get straight into the nitty gritty and get this bad boy open. So we've got the unit out of the box. Now let's go for the bits one by one. Here we've got our DeLonghi milk frother container. Very nice quality. Then this looks like a drip tray, I'm assuming, for where you make your espressos. First impressions, feels very cheap, like plasticky. It looks like this is stainless steel, but it doesn't actually feel like it is. So that's a bit disappointing, firstly. Here we go, taking off the grand reveal. Very fancy. There's your little bean hopper in the top there. On the back, we have the water reservoir, which goes up to, I don't actually know. Hopefully if I read the instructions, it will give me an idea. And then while we're at the top, we've got the accessory tray, which isn't in there at the moment. I'm assuming it's in here. Let's open up our coffee toolkit. So what have we got here? We've got some leaflets. Looks like some sort of water softener tester, safety warnings. This is a quick guide to the La Specialista Arte, instructions and another something. Yeah. So here we have the portafilter, and inside there is where we place our filter baskets. And then we have the little portafilter cap. There you go, goes on like so. Right, and then up next we have, if I can get it out of the damn box, is the rather heavy tamper. So this is obviously used for pushing down your grounds and getting a nice sort of even surface. So then we have this thing, which Maria just informed me is the steam wand cleaning needle. I had no idea what that was until a moment ago. So we've also got our other filter basket here, which is for 1 cup. And then the one that's already in the portafilter is for 2 cups. Then we have some anti-lime scale spheres. Great. And then the last 2 bits, we've got the tamping mat here. Lastly is a little cleaning brush. Right, now we've gone through everything in all of the boxes. Now let's look at the machine itself. Up top, we've got the coffee beans hopper. This is where you're going to put your freshly roasted beans. Next to it, we also have a neat little compartment to place in there your tamping mat. I've also put a spare filter basket in there, as well as my cleaning tools. On the back of the machine, we have the water reservoir, which simply lifts out like so. I would personally advise putting fresh bottled water in there rather than tap water, especially if you live in a very hard water area. Up first here, we've got the grind selector. So it goes from 1 to 8. Then we have these 2 LEDs here. The top one is when you're low on water, and the bottom one here is when the unit needs to be descaled. Then here we have the dial for selecting the dosage of your coffee grounds. Next to that is a button if you'd like to have 1 or 2 cups. Next to that is the OK button, which will then start the brewing process. And then this button here controls the temperature of your drink. And then finally here we have the function selector dial, which gives you the option of espresso, long black, hot water, or the descaling option. And then at the end there is the steam button. So now we've got it all out of the box, let's put the final pieces together.
us unboxing the DeLonghi La Specialista Arte coffee machine.
Now, if you'd like to see what this machine can really do, don't forget to subscribe.
Thanks for tagging along, and we'll see you again in the next one.